Good evening, everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 Box Break site, doing last night's bin that sold out just about half an hour ago of 1011 Luxury Suite. So probably one of the popular products from a couple years ago. Some nice patches, nice 101s in there. So let's quickly run through our teams. It's July 26th. We're at 9:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully everyone can hear and see okay on Vaughn. Our participants, we've got All for Kind, so Chuck got a few teams. Hammond 11 CA. B. Michael John, Shane Dog, The Real Kennedy, got his Blackhawks. Crow got a few teams. Mike 420 Hallett got his Dallas Stars. Fat Polly, the Red Wings. Piranha Guy Dan got the Oilers, and I believe it was the Penguins as well. Tynam82 got his Canadians. Linda had Nashville free. Also got her Sharks. Oxmav got his Rangers. And Subterfuge got his Leafs. Oh, and DJ Nell's mom as well got New Jersey. Yeah, and happy birthday there to DJ today. So two bonuses that join the bin. We'll do it at the end. So two teams for bonus box break number 20. And then our free team in the next break. So box number of Luxury Suite ending as stated in the description in 0207. So 0207. Alright, good luck to everyone. Every single card being shipped out from this product, as they're all hits. Got our checklist. And from what I've heard, they're still redeeming the Luxury Suite cards. Box empty. Alright, pack number 1. So we start with a rookie. A rookie for the St. Louis Blues and All for Kinds. That Nikita Nikitin. Card numbered 820 out of 899. Second card, we got a dual jersey for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and also All for Kinds, Martin St. Louis and Ryan Malone. Numbered 484 out of 599. And for the Boston Bruins, we got a rookie. Looks like a rookie prime auto. Going to Hammond 11 CA, who owns the Boston Bruins. It's Jordan Caron. Prime auto rookie Caron for the Bruins. Numbered 118 out of 299. Moving on to pack number 2. Another St. Louis Blues rookie for All for Kinds, Adam Cracknell. Numbered 406 out of $8.99. For the New York Islanders. For the New York Islanders and Crow, we got a John Tavares jersey swatch. Card numbered 386 out of 599. And we got a private signings. For the LA Kings and All for Kinds, Dustin Penner. Dustin Penner private signings for Chuck and his Kings. Spacer. And pack number 3. For the New York Islanders, rookie Mark Flood. Numbered 478 out of 899. Jersey for the Washington Capitals. And Crow, Alex Ovechkin. Numbered 435 out of 599. And a rookie auto for the Philadelphia Flyers. And Philly is Crow as well. This is a rookie auto of Sergei Bobrovsky. Number 192 out of 499. Yeah, the whole pack was Crows. And final pack. For the Nashville Predators and Linda Scout, Chris Mueller, rookie. Number 417 out of 899. And a jersey swatch for the San Jose Sharks and Linda as well. Jumbo Joe Thornton. Numbered 43 out of 599 for you, Linda. And another rookie auto. Pretty rare to get 2 rookie autos and a rookie auto patch. This one going to the Ottawa Senators and Shane Dog, Jared Cowan. Numbered 498 out of 499. Yeah, you got the 3 rookies though, so it doesn't make the box that week. I think the Bobrovsky they have Caron as a Group 2 rookie. And the other 2 are both Group 3 rookies. Not too bad. It was an odd box. I've never seen 3 rookies. All right, 2 spots for bonus box break 20. Carolina Hurricanes. So Shane Dog will get a free spot in bonus box break 20. Second one, owner of the Vancouver Canucks. So Crow, spot for you, bonus box break number 20. Throw those two back in. Free team in the next bin will be the Columbus Blue Jackets. So all for kinds. Chuck, you have Columbus free in my next single team bin. So that ends it for this break, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Not a bad box of Luxury Suite, but quite an odd box. So make sure to check out SP Game Used auction tonight put on by the Hat Trick Boys, and stay tuned for the bins. As well, grab your spots in the anthology case break. Should be another fun case. Thanks, guys, and enjoy your evening and weekend.